Hey everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ariannitalagringa, and today's video will be a little bit different. I have a big challenge to complete. My team set up a table full of different objects, and in today's video, I will be blindfolded and I will have to choose a different object and describe it in English. I'm excited because I don't know what objects I will use to teach all of you guys English. Let's go. Okay, I have a blindfold that covers my eyes and I literally can't see anything. Let's begin. I'm next to the table and I will try to guess the first object. What is this? This feels smooth and it's kind of cold. It's round at the bottom, and when I smell it, it doesn't smell like anything, but when I shake it, I can hear some sloshing sounds. What is this? Any guesses? Oh, it's a bottle of water. Now I will teach you guys English with this bottle of water. To open the bottle, you have to twist the cap. This is the cap. There are different ways to drink water. You can sip it if you're not that thirsty. I just sipped some water, and right now I am drinking water. When you drink water, you swallow it. It goes down your throat and then in your stomach. I swallowed water. You can also gulp water. When you gulp, you drink a lot of water at the same time, and sometimes you might make a noise. I just spit water. It didn't taste very good. I will gargle water. And once you're finished drinking water, you can twist the cap and close the bottle of water. I just taught you the first object and I guessed it correctly. Now let's move on to the next object. Now I will pick the second object. Okay. Ooh, what is this? It's round, it's small in my hand, and it's also fuzzy on the outside. I think this is a ball. Let me see. Yeah, this is a tennis ball. It's a ball, but specifically, it's a tennis ball. And this is one of the easiest objects to teach all of you guys. I will bounce the ball. I am bouncing the ball. I will bounce the ball really hard. Now I will throw the ball. I am throwing the ball. I threw the ball. Now I will try to catch the ball. I caught the ball. So this is a tennis ball. You'd normally use it to play tennis. And you normally hit the ball with a racket, but I don't have a tennis racket, so I will hit the ball with my hand. The ball is squishy and it's also green. This is lime green. Now let's move on to the next object. This is very long. One side is thinner than the other. It feels kind of rough in my hand. Oh, it has a button. Oh, it turns on. I know exactly what this is. This is an electric toothbrush. Yeah, I guessed it. Ever find yourself struggling to explain things in English? You know, like trying to explain this. Sometimes it's easier to think about it than saying it out loud. That's where Cambly's speaking quiz comes in. It's a quick and easy way to get personalized feedback on your English speaking skills. You just answer a few questions and their AI analyzes your answers to tell you what you're doing well and where you could improve. For example, imagine trying to describe this. Would you be able to say it has a button and it has bristles and it's used to clean your teeth? This quiz will evaluate your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, and it will help you understand where you need to focus. And the best part is it's free and it takes about 5 minutes. I was surprised when I took it, and after taking it, I found out I am an upper intermediate level. So I just need to expand my vocabulary and express myself a little bit more. Are you ready to take your English to the next level? Click the link down below in the description box to take the free Cambly speaking quiz and find out where you stand. Now let's get back to the video. To teach you guys English with this object, I have to go to a different place. I use a toothbrush every morning and every evening to brush my teeth. This is just a regular toothbrush. To brush your teeth, I will use toothpaste. I will open the top and I will squeeze toothpaste on the bristles of my toothbrush. Now I will turn on the faucet and brush my teeth. I also brush my tongue. Then I will spit out the toothpaste. Ooh, this makes a sound. It's very thin, it's flat, and it's smooth. What is this? Any guesses? I think this is a sheet of paper. This is a sheet of paper or a piece of paper. Let's begin. I will fold the piece of paper. I am folding the piece of paper in half. Now I will unfold the piece of paper. I will rip the piece of paper. I am ripping the piece of paper. Now I have 2 pieces of paper. I will crumble the piece of paper and I will throw the piece of paper. Now let's try to guess the next object together. Well, it's smooth and it has corners, pointy corners. And I think this is a box, but I'm not sure what's inside the box. Yeah, this is a box, but inside the box, there's an iPhone. This is a box, but inside the box, there is my old iPhone. You can see it has a lot of scratches on the screen, and if I turn it over, the camera is broken. To unlock the phone, you can use a password. You have to swipe up and use the password, or you can use Face ID, where it scans your face. Once you unlock the iPhone, you can use it in many different ways. You can send a message over here, but I mostly use it to call my friends and family. I will call my friend, and I'm putting it on speaker. After chatting with my friend, now I'm going to end the call. If my friend didn't pick up the phone, I would have left a voicemail or a voice message. For example, "Hey, what time are you coming home? Let's get dinner together. Call me back. Bye." I also like to use my phone to record videos. Hey everybody! And I also like to take pictures. Now let's move on to the next object. Ooh, what is this? It feels very hard. I think this might be a bowl. It's round at the bottom. I actually don't know what this is, to be honest. Let me see. Ooh, this is a plant. It might be kind of hard to teach you guys English, but I'll try my best. This is a living thing. It's a small plant. The plant is in the pot. This is a pot. This plant has soil. This is soil. When I touch the soil with my index finger, it feels a little bit dry. I think this plant needs water. I will water the plant. I am watering the plant. The plant has holes at the bottom. That way the water can drain out. This plant has a lot of leaves. This is a leaf, but in the plural form, it's leaves. leaves. And it also has a stem. This is the stem. Now it's time to teach you guys the next object. What is this? This feels like glass. It smells really good. And it feels like a jar. This might be just a regular jar, but since it smells really good, I think it's a candle. Yeah, it's a candle. This is a candle. It smells really good and it's made of wax. In the middle of the candle, there's a long piece of string, and that's called a wick. Wick. I will light the candle with a lighter, and it'll smell like weathered wood. I am lighting the candle. Now the candle is burning, and it smells pretty good. I will blow out this candle, but today isn't my birthday. But after blowing the candle, I will make a little wish, and my wish is for you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to learn more English. Woo! Now it's time for the next object. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's actually really heavy. Oh gosh. Well, it's made out of plastic. It has a handle. This is a long cord or cable, and I can plug this in an outlet. Okay, I think I know what this is, but I'm not sure. Can you guys try to help me? Oh, it's a blender. This is a blender. Blender. To use it, you first need to plug it in, the outlet, and you will put it on top. Like that, and we use blenders to make smoothies. Now I'm going to make a smoothie. To make a smoothie, I will add water in the blender, and then I will add some frozen dragon fruit. Oops, that's too much. And finally, I will squeeze some limes and get lime juice. And now I will blend everything together. Now I will pour the smoothie in a glass. Let's move on to the next object. Okay, next object. Well, this has a lot of buttons on it. It's hard. It's made out of metal. I think these are my car keys. Yeah, these are my car keys. These are my car keys. You can use them to unlock the car door, to open the door, or you can use them to lock the door. I just locked the doors. I get in the car and I close the door. I roll down the window, and now I will roll up the window. I get out of the car, and I slam the door. If I park my car on the street, but I forget where it's at, I can use this button, hold it down, and it will set off an alarm like this. There we go. My keys have a ring. This is a ring, and I can add more keys on the ring. Okay, everybody, I completed my challenge and I got most of them right. But now I still have a lot of objects left on the table. But now we're going to do a bonus round. So I'm going to do an action or an activity, and you'll try to guess what I'm doing. Let's start. I am zipping the jacket. I zip up the jacket, or I unzip the jacket. I am tying my shoes. Tying my shoes. I am removing hair from my clothes with the lint roller. Okay, everybody, that's all for today's video. Did you guys have fun trying to guess the different objects I was trying to touch and guess as well? If you liked this video, let me know down below what your favorite object was, and go ahead and give me a big like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!